We are meeting after a very long time, right? How are you? Yeah, long time. I'm doing well. You tell me, how are you? Yeah, I'm also okay. Why? What happened? You look somewhat stressed and sad. It's just the job search is stressing me out. Why? What happened? See, it's the whole process is draining my energy. I have been applying to the jobs, day, night, evening, afternoon. Whenever I see a job, I send my application and still no responses. Nobody in the industry has the courtesy to respond even. I don't know what's wrong with the job market these days. Okay. But are you sure you are submitting your application for the right jobs? Oh, yes, 100%. Okay, have you updated your resume lately? I have recently updated my all particulars in the resume. I have added my experience, my achievements, my certifications, everything that I could possibly put in my CV. It's all in there. I've heard getting very active when it comes to job search sometimes lands you in a job. But have you looked at the layout of your resume, the right keywords, or in fact, are you sure it's ATS compatible? ATS? What is that? Simple. The full form of ATS is Application Tracking System. It's an AI driven software used by many organizations and even all the job boards. Okay. All right. Do all the companies use ATS? Not necessary. Most of the organizations use application tracking system. ATS is an AI driven software. Application tracking system is necessary unless you are directly applying somebody through an email. So you mean to say that there is a possibility that my resume has not reached to the hiring managers or to the recruiters? Oh my God, you mean all my efforts went in vain? It's a totally wasted effort. This is crazy. I have been applying to jobs. I have sent so many applications, so many good opportunities. Are you sure? I think you're right. I think I should look into it and get a resume review done. Anyway, thanks so much. I think that's what friends are for, to point you in the right direction. I would get my resume reviewed ASAP and I'll approach an expert to write my resume from scratch so that more opportunities don't pass me by. Many of the job seekers get disheartened while job search. They keep on applying to the jobs, they submit their resume at so many places. When they don't get responses, they feel disheartened and they begin blaming the employers or the recruiters or hiring managers. But it's 2020. We have to change the conventional ways of job application and job search. The job market is getting competitive and employers are getting smart. As a result, the ratio of applications and the selected candidate has no equilibrium. The proportion has gone totally haywire. As per Glassdoor, to each job advertised, there are about 250 applications on an average. And under a pandemic, it has reached to 500. The market has become very competitive. Job application has not remained that easy these days. Make sure your profile is easier for recruiters to go through and makes your application stand out. A resume is a short trailer of your career profile, but it doesn't promises you a job. A resume definitely promises you an interview. That too if it's written right. Resume is a crucial document. One must make sure that all the components of the resume are right. Make it easy for the recruiters and position yourself well with CareerView's resume writing services. If you have been there, done that, done everything you could, then it's high time you consult an expert. You should look whether your application is reaching the right hands, because every resume passes through ATS before reaching in the hands of a recruiter or the hiring manager. The blame game will lead you nowhere, but expert advise will. The first thing a disappointed job seeker does is blaming the organization, blaming the recruiters, blaming everybody else. But I always recommend to the people whom I consult, look within, look at your documents, what needs work. Your resume is a short trailer of your complete profile. If you are presenting the trailer really well, one would definitely like to see the movie. Make sure it's easier for the recruiters to go through your job profile. They are using application tracking systems instead of direct humanized interaction. Optimize your resume to get your application stand out. It looks very easy and a simple document, but it's not very easy. We offer a free consultation to review your resume. If your resume need work, get it done as soon as possible. If you are in a career transition, there is a high possibility that your resume or your career document has not even reached the right hands yet. Thank you for watching. I look forward to working with you. Do visit www.careerviews.com to understand what kind of services we are offering.